keep solving our physics subject GRE. Okay, so we start from 19. 19 said that the energy level of the hydrogen atom. Common sense, right? By the way, you need to remember this formula. I already taught many times. So the answer is E. The answer is E. Okay, 20. The positive kaon has a random energy 494, and the proton has mass energy and 938. And if the kaon has total energy that equals to the proton rest energy. Okay, so total energy is gamma mc squared. Gamma is 1 over v squared of c squared. Okay, so sometimes somebody will call this beta. Okay. So what we have the formula is the kaon at some speed equals to the proton rest energy. So the proton does not have so this is c squared. Unfortunately, okay. So we can cancel this. We have gamma equals to m mu over mk, which is 938 divided by 494 equals to gamma. So the goal is we solve the gamma. Okay. Then basically after solving it, then you're done. So we have this, and this is close to 1.9. You can compute by yourself. Okay, so our goal is to solve beta. Okay. So we have 1 minus beta squared is equals to 1.9 squared, and the beta squared is 1 minus 1.9 squared. So beta is 1.9 squared, 1.9 squared minus 1 square root. So this is 1 point, not 1 point. Okay, so this is 1.9 squared, basically is 3.91. So this is square root of 2.91. And you know that 1.6 squared is 2.56. So this is larger than 1.6 divided by 1.9. So beta is close to 16 divided by 19. And you can compute this is 0.8 something. Okay, so the only remaining answer is E. Okay, that's it. And thanks. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.